Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best FIFINE mic is probably one of the most popular USB microphones for content creators, offering a compelling blend of affordability, ease of use, and surprisingly good audio quality for its price point. Whether you're a budding podcaster, gamer, musician, or streamer just starting, or a seasoned professional looking for a reliable backup or secondary microphone, this video will dive deep into what makes the FIFINE mic a top contender in the competitive world of USB microphones and help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. FIFINE K669B USB Mic. It's a plug-and-play USB microphone. Simply connect it to your computer's USB port and start recording. No complicated setup is needed. Its sturdy metal build ensures it can withstand daily use. The stable tripod stand keeps it secure during recordings or streams. It features a convenient volume knob for precise audio adjustments. You can easily control the volume or mute it for privacy. It's compatible with various operating systems and applications, including Windows, Mac OS, and popular streaming platforms. It works with many voice chat programs, too. This cardioid microphone captures clear, crisp audio, minimizing background noise. Your voice will sound smooth and professional in recordings. Whether you're streaming, recording podcasts, or participating in online meetings, it delivers excellent audio quality. It's ideal for various applications. What we like. It boasts an easy setup, and its sturdy metal build ensures longevity. The volume knob offers precise audio adjustments, protecting your privacy when needed. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use microphone for everyday recording tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The FIFINE K669B USB microphone is an impressive mic for the price. After unboxing, you can have this up and running in 30 seconds. Just plug it into a computer via USB and it works. I like that it comes with a small tripod, but I especially like that the mic has threading to fit onto a standard microphone stand. The FIFINE USB microphone is an excellent choice for those seeking high-quality audio without the need for complex setups. One of its standout features is its impressive sound quality, making it ideal for a wide range of uses, from Zoom calls to casual recording sessions. Users don't need to sit too close to the microphone for clear audio pickup, which adds convenience, especially during long video meetings. This microphone works exceptionally well at about 85 to 90% volume, providing crisp and consistent sound output without distortion. This mic, being a cardioid type, does an excellent job of isolating my voice and minimizing the unwanted reflections. It does an excellent job of rejecting unwanted reflections. There is barely a difference in volume between on and off-axis performance, on-axis being with me speaking directly at the diaphragm, and off-axis being with the mic next to my laptop, about 9 off-center, and angled in at my face. I'm impressed with the consistency. Noise floor is very low, with no appreciable hiss even with the volume nearly maxed. Number 4. FIFINE K669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple USB connection, making it easy to plug and play with your computer. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording vocals, podcasts, or Skype calls. High-quality sound is now within easy reach. This microphone offers excellent sound quality with a wide frequency response. It's built to last and handles loud sounds with ease. The cardioid condenser captures clear audio while minimizing background noise. The sturdy boom arm provides flexible positioning. It rotates 180 degrees up and down and extends 135 degrees, ensuring you can always find the perfect angle for recording. It's perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, and more. A double pop filter is included to reduce plosives and other unwanted sounds. This ensures your recordings are crisp and professional, whether you're in a studio or at home. It minimizes distracting noises for a cleaner sound. Everything you need is included: a durable boom arm, shock mount, double pop filter, USB cable, and user manual. It's ready to use right out of the box, making setup a breeze. It comes with both a C-clamp and a desktop mount, giving you the flexibility to attach it to a desk or table. The low-profile design ensures it won't obstruct your view during recordings or video calls. What we like. This microphone delivers exceptional audio quality thanks to its advanced design. The included boom arm provides flexible positioning, and the comprehensive accessory package ensures you have everything you need. If you're serious about audio and want a professional setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Setup was simple. The springs in the boom seem solid and some of the clamps are plastic, but they also seem like they will preform. The boom mount is metal and the tightening bar to the clamp is thick and strong. Mic quality is great. It does not have its own audio software like Razer does, but with the cost I would not expect it to. All in all, I am giving it 5 stars. It is a boom mic, boom works, mic is clear and adjust well. The setup of this microphone was super easy. The sound quality is amazing. The sound sensitivity is clear and perfect for voice recording. The microphone is well built with durable materials and looks sleek and expensive. Taking it out of the box, it seemed like it was built okay. The microphone itself was pretty lightweight. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. Number 3. FIFINE K668 USB Mic. Introducing the FIFINE K668 USB microphone. It's incredibly easy to use, just plug it in and start recording. Perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. With its simple plug-and-play design, it works seamlessly with Windows and Mac computers. No drivers or extra software are needed, making setup a breeze. It boasts a distinctive Omni pickup pattern with noise cancellation, ensuring your voice is clear and crisp. This isolates your main sound source, reducing background noise. Experience a smooth, flat frequency response perfect for singing, speech, and voiceovers. It accurately reproduces sound, delivering high-quality audio for all your recordings. Whether you're recording vocals, podcasts, or gaming commentary, it's the perfect tool. It's ideal for streaming, YouTube videos, and more. It comes with a durable 5.9-foot USB cable, giving you plenty of flexibility. Its high signal output ensures your voice is always heard clearly. What we like. Its simple plug-and-play design makes setup a breeze. The versatile pickup pattern is great for various applications. Its wide frequency response ensures clear audio across the spectrum. If you are looking for a simple, versatile microphone for home studio use, this is a great option. What people say. I've had this mic for 8 years and it's the longest lasting mic I've ever had. It's easy to set up, it's very sensitive, and it works with Zoom, Instagram, and Discord. The microphone is top-notch for desktop VoIP comms and gaming usage utilizing a speakers and microphone setup. This thing is about as close as you'll ever get to studio quality without spending a fortune and a half. The audio quality is fantastic and crisp, and although it may still pick up minor background noise, the quality itself is comparable to that of a studio microphone. It automatically adjusts to the level of noise in the room, and is usable by simply plugging in the USB. Number 2. FIFINE K668 USB Microphone. It captures crisp, smooth sound and suppresses background noise. Enjoy well-balanced, crystal-clear audio for any application. It features adjustable volume control, headphone output, and a convenient mute button with LED indicator. Easily manage your audio with its intuitive design. It boasts plug-and-play connectivity for Windows and Mac. Simply plug it in and start recording or streaming. Its durable metal construction and sturdy stand ensure long-lasting performance and reliable use. It's designed for stability and portability. The package includes the microphone, stand, USB cable, adapter, and user manual. We also offer friendly technical support. It's ideal for podcasts, streaming, gaming, voiceovers, and more. Get professional quality sound for all your audio needs. What we like. It captures crisp, clear audio and features convenient controls like headphone output and a mute button. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a high-quality microphone with added features for podcasting or streaming, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This mic is indeed plug and play. Although you may need to read the tiny instructions to go into your computer's sound settings and specify use device speakers when you are using this microphone, as the mic defaults out of the box to the audio out port on the bottom of the mic for use with headphones. Set this preference one time, and you should be done with that forever. Might also have to do it once inside of the Zoom program, however. The mic will pick up your voice as soon as you plug it in and begin to use it, and your laptop speakers will continue to be active. The sound is forever solid and clear with this microphone, no matter where I place the mic. All metal construction, very sturdy and solid build. The 5 triangular metal base is very sturdy and has rubber pads underneath giving it a steady and slip-resistant perch. This mic is solid. The mute button operates silently, but in the recording track, there is a muffled thump when the mute is activated, but is not significant. The sound playback is clear, crisp without distortion and artifacts. Background noise rejection, excellent. Very well built. It felt solid in your hand. The placement of the knobs are good. The mute button is located at the front, which would be the button that is used all the time, especially for those who use the mic for meeting. In addition, the push button mute button is noise-free when you push in or push out, to mute or to unmute. This is a great paid attention to the detail, as it won't generate sound when you push the button to mute or unmute. For the sound quality, it is hard to evaluate, as you would need the feedbacks from the far end. From what I can gather, the sound quality reported is good. Number 1. FIFINE SC3 Gaming Mixer. It's time to elevate your audio game. This mixer gives you crystal clear sound and total control over your streams. It features an XLR microphone input for professional quality audio. Enjoy the flexibility of using your favorite condenser microphone. With individual controls for microphone, line in, headphone, and line out, you're in charge of every sound. Fine-tune your audio to perfection. Easily mute your audio to eliminate unwanted noise and monitor your audio in real time. Stay confident and in control. It offers pre-recorded sound effects, voice-changing modes, and auto-tune. Spice up your streams with personality and flair. The vibrant RGB lighting adds a professional touch to your setup. Customize the lighting to match your streaming aesthetic. It's incredibly easy to use and compatible with various devices and software. Connect and start streaming in minutes. What we like. This mixer allows you to use an XLR microphone for superior audio quality. The individual channel controls provide precise audio adjustments. The RGB lighting adds a touch of flair to your setup. If you're a streamer or podcaster looking to enhance your audio setup, this is a must-have. What people say. The FIFINE Ampligame SC3 is a fantastic entry-level interface that works surprisingly well with the Shure SM58 Pro. It's an affordable and reliable option for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup. It was so easy to set up, and I love how easy it is to add your own sound bites. Works great, easy to connect and use based on basic technical knowledge. The mixer quality is good for what you're getting, meaning that my microphone, also FIFINE desktop mic connected by XLR cable to the mixer, has great quality. This compact and affordable little mixer is great if you're just starting out and want a quality mixer. The voice effects are pretty funny, and I've had a good time messing around with them. I really love the broad compatibility range and the ability to control and monitor my volume as well as my audio input from my headphones to speakers in one simple interface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.